As your business grows, managing and retaining visibility of the workforce and contract delivery becomes a struggle. That's why leading FM providers use Timegate. Timegate is a cloud-based workforce management solution that takes you from the pre-employment stages through to payroll and invoicing. Best of all, there's nothing to install. No software, phone lines, or servers required. Timegate provides you with better control. You only manage by exception. If it's going to plan, it doesn't need managing. You manage contract budgets and hours delivered in line with contracted levels. You correct what needs correcting. Employees can use apps and portals via phones, tablets, and PCs to request holiday, uniforms, query pay, update details, and more, while clients can book extra work, run reports, and generally satisfy themselves of the value you deliver. With Timegate, you manage contracts and employees while remaining compliant, controlling costs, driving service delivery, and growing your business.